guys, we will unbox this Smart Tank 615 wireless all-in-one HP printer. As you can see, they say it's all-in-one, and it's Smart Tank 615 model. They're already being set up by the retailer, so we'll just remove this. So this is the ink, which is liquid G52 and GT53. So this is the wire it's used to connect to the, of course, to the power outlet. This is for the USB. Although this is wireless, you can connect it also. Then pull it. Okay, this is the manual, so we'll check it later. Wait a second. Remove the plastic. Now I believe this is how to open it. So this is the ink cartridge or ink tank. It's yellow, pink and blue. This is the black, so it's black and white and then colored. Here you can find the display on and off, and this is the where you put the paper. Here also you can print it using this as well, this side. Okay, till the next video, see you.